Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change light's color of your LeapFrog camera. To do this, you have to click on this icon, then go to the right side. Right here, first of all, you have to turn on the lights. As you can see, they are turned on. And to change the light color, click right here, and you've got option to select between these presets. As you can see, we can find 7 presets, and also the last one is the automatic light adjustment. So probably it just change the color just like that. So we've got all of these presets at once that comes into loop back. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.